Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the 1940s house that me and my husband decided to purchase in order to fix and flip. So if you're interested, stay tuned. First, I do want to put a disclaimer out there. The home that is in my thumbnail is not the 1940 home that my husband and I purchased. It's just a photo that I found on the internet. So with that being said, let's begin. So as we enter the home, like most homes, you have the living room. Now I want to put it out there that this home was built in 1940 and it had absolutely no interior updates, which is why my husband decided to purchase it and we were going to make it our first fix and flip. So this is just the living room. This is the fireplace. Through that door is the sunroom. It's one of the favorite rooms of the home. One of my favorite rooms of the home. So as you walk out, as you can see, it is literally a sunroom. This was an add-on to the home at some point. That's why there's a dual fireplace, as this used to be the outside of the home. There's that weird mirror there that we eventually take out. As you go through the living room, you have the dining room. Again, absolutely no updates. Just 1940s through and through. As you can see, there's window units throughout this home because there's no central air. So that is something that me and my husband will also be tackling as we go ahead and flip this house. So now we're going to go ahead and make our way through the dining room into the kitchen. Now this is one of the most hideous rooms of the home. It has this really funky refrigerator. As you can see, it's dark, dated, pine cabinets. This is a treasure. This is an original 1940s Maytag. Apparently it's worth lots of money. But yeah, so outside of the kitchen, we're going to go ahead and go down this hallway. Through this hallway, you'll have 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. So we're going to make our way to the left. And this is going to be the very first bedroom. It has like a funky shag carpet that you really can't tell. It's very dark and dim in this house due to the dirty walls and these dated shutters. So of course this room is going to need some paint, some new windows, so the carpet needs to be pulled. It's just a lot that needs to be done. New light fixtures, new doors. But all in all, this house had really good bones. To the left, there's this funky bathroom. Now that I'm thinking about it, the bathroom may have been the worst part of the home. It is really disgusting. As you can see, it's fairly small, but it is disgusting. And this will definitely have to be a complete gut job. Nothing in that bathroom will be salvaged. Moving on to bedroom number 2. Again, dirty, dusty, just disgusting. We're definitely scraping ceilings, repainting, pulling carpet. A whole new world in this room. This room also had this weird accordion door opening that went through the bedroom into the kitchen. Definitely plan on sealing that up and just making it a solid wall because no one needs to access the kitchen from the bedroom. But as you go through here, there is an upstairs. This is, I guess, a story and a half. But as you go upstairs, it's a very large, spacious area. So to the left, you have this opening. It has 2 closets, some shelving. Of course, we're going to get the floors done, painted, windows, the same thing. To the right, you have an equal amount sizing of the room. So we have some exciting things to do. We have major plans, and we've actually done some things already to this open space. So I'm excited for the transformation, and I hope you guys are excited as well. We're going to make our way back down the stairs. And as we come down the stairs, I want you guys to know that the carpet will definitely have to be pulled. This closet is going to be out of here. Back into the kitchen, you go to the left, and this is the laundry room. Now we have major plans for this room. We have so many different plans that as of now we have not done anything but put a washer and dryer in the room. Of course, we have it cleaned, we have had it painted, but what we're considering to do, because that window leads into the bedroom with the red carpet, bedroom number 2, we're going to convert this laundry room into a master bathroom. And because of that, we're going to have to add some additional square footage to the home. Well, that is all for today's video. I did record this about 4.5 weeks ago, so you can only imagine all of the updates that we've already done to this house. So if you're interested, please make sure you subscribe so that you're notified when I have my next video, as far as some of the demo that we did as well as our updates. Until next time, bye.